Bugatti.
What that, bruh? Can you lock over here?
Or in the Bugatti?
Oh, damn, the Bugatti? I'm about to ride in the fucking. Hey, what car is that? A Porsche? Vape clouds. And I'm about to ride in the. You didn't know, John bought a GT3 RS right here. Damn, bro.
Roll the window.
Damn, this is nice. Supercharger? Because it whines. Woo, woo. Supercharger, calm down. Woo. This is the Bugatti. Damn, the custom no front bumper. Cup holder like hella small. Damn, bro.
Full carbon fiber
down. I'm not 1993. They already have vape holders right here. Damn, vape holders. Weight reduction. You share an armrest. Why is it so choloed up like this?
Oh, I'll lean back like this, bro.
Yeah. What the fuck? Archer blade ours. Warm it up. Warm it up.
Make sure they're warmed up.
Look at the Bugatti. Bugatti. Oh shit. Oh shit. Cinematic time. Bugatti. Come on in to the next escape room.
Oh my, this place is fucking huge.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my god. Yo. It has like a little elevated area. Ah! And it echoes. There's a free ladder.
Damn.
Free ladder for now.
It comes with a laptop.
Vape christening. Ooh. Oh! You guys want to go into the locker room?
There's no weird noises.
You guys want to go into the girls' locker room?
Abandoned?
Yeah. Ooh.
Oh.
Turn on the light, dog. This is scary. Damn. Damn. This is big.
It's gonna fall out of that fucking box.
Damn. Yo. There's stalls in there.
I'm scared. Go check the stalls, bro. No. Oh fuck! Yo, you can run. You used to run track or what? Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm dead. I'm fucking dead. That's the shower. Remember that's the one I was telling you about, the community shower? Hey, shh, listen.
Nah, fuck that.
That shit's actually vibrating. What's that hole, dude? You see anything?
I don't know. I thought
Hello? Oh, fucking shit. Hey, that shit was legit. Oh, fuck. Dude, that was legit fucking creepy. Oh, fuck. Oh, my God. That legit still got me up. Yo, Rob is hella scared right now.
This is so
You guys
now,
already creeped out. How are you supposed to work here at nighttime? Yeah, really be like,
Rob's gonna be like,
okay, let me see. All right, Krista, let's see how you do with this. So far, everyone else sucks.
I'll probably suck. Just keeping it real.
Welcome, Krista. Krista has a YouTube channel. I'll link it in my description. She's starting a vlog.
Just started because of this guy.
So by the time this video goes up, which is tomorrow, yours better be
I'll
up.
have my first video.
Yeah.
Oh no, I'm putting it at night. I'll have to beat you hard. What are we doing?
So you have to keep the motion of the ball going.
Motion of the ocean.
The motion of the ocean. Right?
I'm getting hypnotized. I feel like I'm back at the festival.
Coachella. Okay.
It's all coming back to me now.
Super nap.
No drugs, of course.
No drugs. So okay, I'm gonna spin it really fast so it's easy. You have to feel the ball, and you have to caress the ball. And you have to keep it going. Are you ready? Are you right here or left?
Maybe I will be good at this.
Oh no!
The motion?
Motion.
I'm like watching how you're...
Go.
Oh crap.
Be smooth with it. Be smooth with it. Ah! Keep going.
It's such a weird feeling.
Oh, what? No.
What the heck? This is crazy. Ah, how did you do it?
Okay, let me try it one more time.
It's like it's going reverse. Should I grab it with my right hand?
I can switch it back and forth.
Oh, okay. Do your left hand. Let's see.
Okay, I'll do my left hand.
Okay, gotta get into the groove.
Fondling the balls.
My mom never sees it.
She will. She probably follows on Instagram.
Oh no.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna switch it over. Hold on. Okay, so you get no excuse that you can do this left. My motion won't be your motion.
No.
But it'll be close. Like you just have to feel where the ball's rotating and be a step ahead of it so you can keep it running. Smooth, smooth. Terrible. Terrible. Well, you haven't even tried this, huh?
What the heck? Nope, it's dying.
No. No. No, no. Okay, ready? Hang on to it.
It stops when I hold it.
Oh, you have to keep it going.
Let's go faster.
It's just not working. It's just not working.
Me and balls. Hey, I have better luck at other things.
Oh gosh. Kind of loud. Luckily my neighbors love me. My neighbors are like 85 years old and they love me. So they don't mind my loud cars and my parties, which I'm very grateful for. I wanted to say good morning to you guys from inside the GTR. GTR is mighty dirty today, so Glaze Technica is coming out to wash it today for us. So I'm very grateful for that. We're getting ready for AutoCon, which is why we're getting the cars washed, the truck washed, the trailer prepped. But it's gonna be a good day, man. It's gonna be a good day. It's lots of good stuff going on, so join me for the day. Ready for a zoom?
Hey, word on the street, I'm a suspect. Hanging with the killers in the projects. Tato on the barrel, keep quiet. Catch a nigga slipping from behind. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. Wipe a nigga out like an outbreak. Wipe him out.
Let's get the day going. It's a nice kind of day. It is literally a nice kind of day. The funniest thing ever. I started vlogging again, and I can't thank you guys so much for supporting me through these vlogs again. And people are like, Mike, all you do is fucking work. Your vlogs are boring. And then I respond respectfully. That's what I do. That's literally my daily grind. And then we fuck around here, and then, you know, we hang out with my family. But that's literally what I do. Is I just work a lot. And like, I guess when you really think about what my life is, my life is I could fake fun for you guys very easily. We have all the cars for it. We know obviously a ton of models. We have a ton of friends that have cool cars. We have a ton of fans and OGs that want to come and have fun. So I could use people and fake things to make the channel more interesting. But you know, honestly, I don't even have time for that. Even if I wanted to. I don't know. But how do you make it on YouTube these days? How you make it on YouTube, and this is not 100% fact, but it's the easiest route, is to be crazy, kind of fake, over eccentric, loud, and do crazy shit that other YouTubers aren't doing. You top each other over and over, and that's kind of how you make it these days. You can do like the slower, organic way of really showing your life and building up a fan base, but the fastest route is probably the crazy route. And I'm a bit too old to do crazy stuff. It doesn't work in my personality. So if you guys are asking, Mike, how do I make it on YouTube? Because I get that question often. You make it on YouTube on the way you want to. How do you want to be respected 10 years down the road? And I want to be respected as a good person, a good human being that tried my hardest to make it in this world without compromising my ethics, my morals, and taking care of the people around me. And when I say take care of the people around me, I really do mean it. And you know, some people don't believe it, and some people don't stick around for the dream, but oftentimes people forget. People forget how much we've done for people. And Iris and I, want to leave a legacy behind that's positive, and not because I fucking drifted an all-wheel drive GTR around a corner that almost killed me. That's not what I'm about. Anyways, cheers to the morning. That's how you make a YouTube channel crazy. Do crazy shit. Or just make it organic and kind of slow. Let me add a sub note to this. Yes, you can start a YouTube channel in the organic way of like, how-to videos are really great to grow, humor-based videos are great to grow, but I'm talking about the vlog space. The vlogging world requires a bit of more excitement than the normal Joe. That's where things get really interesting, because you have to be exciting. You can't just be like, hey guys, good morning, here I am at work, and here I am hanging out, here I am doing stuff. It's a little bit harder than that. But yeah, you can grow in doing like game videos that are really exciting, humor-based videos, make it really funny, and information videos that teaches people something, and people appreciate that. Yeah, so there's different ways. I'm just giving you guys one way. As you guys can see, I'm here before everyone right now, waiting for everyone to roll in, and then we can start working. We're in the Speed Demon shirt, Tuna Crate. You guys want to become a member, sign up, tunacrate.com. It's a nice shirt. The colors vary. I happen to like this one a lot. I can't wait to get that set up. Let's go. Rob, come on, are you serious? Oh. It's like us showing up to a party, be like, yo, bro. Yeah. Oh, did you guys call each other to dress each other?
One of y'all gotta go change.
You gonna go shirtless.
Fuck it.
Fast forward to the next day. I almost crashed into my computer there. Guys, the video that you guys are watching is basically like a 2-day split. Then the beginning of the video was freaking funny. Like, I cannot stop laughing at watching our reactions to the locker room, especially Rob. Rob was fucking funny. John scared the shit out of us. And then the rest of the day was like a lot of AutoCon prep for the trailer. I did put that section of the video in another vlog, so you'll see that probably tomorrow. Today I'm actually heading to San Diego to hang out with the family a bit, and then I'm gonna rush home tomorrow to finish the trailer, take it to AutoCon to drop it off and prep it there. And then on Sunday, we're gonna actually drive to AutoCon again to actually do the event that day on Sunday. On Monday, we're gonna do a company shutdown here and head over to the new office and do a cleanup day, prep day over there. And then all week, we're gonna be back here working and shipping stuff like usual. And then we'll be kind of rotating between the two. So you guys see, it's freaking crazy here. Super excited. A lot of things going on. So if you guys wanna join me, just make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe button, and just let me know, man. Talk to me on Snapchat, which I'm always here. Anyways, cheers to you guys. Have a great freaking weekend, and stay safe, and hopefully I see you guys at AutoCon. Peace. Bye.